This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, this is Naveen here. Welcome back to Naveen Automation Labs. So guys, in today's topic in Cypress, I'm going to cover one very important use case that is called file upload. The problem with the Cypress is that it does not give any direct libraries or any direct APIs to upload the file, and it's a little tricky over here. Okay, so that's why we have to use some external library, okay, for doing that. So there are some community, they are already working with Cypress upload features. You just need to download that particular package. So it's not available with the Cypress npm package. You have to download a separate package for that, and then you have to start using that. So what you need to do, you first immediately go to simple search that Cypress, sorry, file upload, and here you will go to this particular this particular utility. This is Cypress file upload npm. It's okay, the recently uploaded, and it's quite active, and they have given various examples over here. And what you have to do, you just need to install this particular, okay, Cypress file upload package in your directory. So I'll do one thing. Let me just terminate my server, clear the console, and in this particular project that you're working upon, in this particular project, you just simple install this npm install hyphen hyphen save dev dependency Cypress file upload. So this package you have to install, and yeah, it is done. And once it is done, what you have to do, you need to write this particular line, import Cypress file upload. This is compulsory, and you have to go to your support commands.js file. So I'll go to my commands.js, and here at the first line, this line I've already added over here. You just need to copy paste this and then simple save it. This is the These are the two configurations you have to do that. Okay, because we have to use a third party, okay, the Cypress file upload API or this library or this particular npm package to use a particular feature. Now, what we have to do, we will create a new test over here. Let me create a new file, and this time I'm going to create, let's see, file underscore upload underscore test.js, and here we have to write some code. So first I'm going to give you that, okay, let's see one example. You go to this particular site that already we are using for our automation practice point of view. You just simply go to automationpractice.com. You go to contact us. When you click on contact us, there is a form, and you see that, okay, this is the file upload. Okay, choose file, and you can browse file, and you can click on it, and then you can select a specific file over here. Let's say I'm going to select this particular whatever. Let's see this particular screenshot dot png or jpeg or whatever. Okay, you can simply upload it over here like that, right? Any particular file, if you really want to upload, you can simply do that. Let's see this diagram.py I want to upload, so it will be uploaded over here. So in Selenium, what we have to use a driver.find element in by.xpath or by.id, and then you have to use .send keys and give the file path over there, and Selenium will do it automatically, right? But we have to make sure that one thing over here, that okay, when you inspect this guy, you have to check what exactly the type equal to file should be there. Then only it will work. So input type equal to file, this type equal to file attribute should be there. If it is not there, then you have to use some other tools, like in Selenium we have other external tools like AutoIT or Sequely or something like this. Okay, so in this case, what we have to do, we don't have anything like that. You have to pass the send keys or something like this, or cy.get and simple use it. It's not very straightforward. So what you have to do, guys, it's very simple. Let me directly, okay, land on this particular page. So I'm quickly create one describe, and then we will see various examples over here. I simple say that, okay, this is file upload use cases, right? And I'll be writing my first it block that let me just write it like this. And yeah, the function, okay, name I'm going to write something like a simple file upload. Okay, I'll be using lambda over here, and now I'm going to write my first test with I simply say that okay, cy dot visit, and I'll directly land on this particular page so that we can save some time. So directly coming on this particular page, okay, over here. And if you really want to fill this form, you can fill this, but I'm just going to avoid it. I simply say that okay, yeah, fine, you just need to directly upload the file, and then how will you do that? So for doing this, guys, we need to understand one concept over here. If you really want to use this particular API, okay, this Cypress file upload API, so what you have to do, first you need to create a file, which file you want to do that, but the file should be available inside the fixture folder. Can you see that this fixture folder is available? So you remember, I think second or third video, I told you that what are different folders are available in Cypress. So for integration, we have different test cases. For support, we have different libraries. And for fixtures, if you have any particular file for file upload or any test data file or something like this, if you really want to maintain, please maintain inside fixture file. So let's see, I have created this image1.jpg file is already available over here, or a .json file, or upload.txt, or user.json, or example.json, whatever the kind of file that you have which you want to upload. So let's see, I have this particular image1.jpg. Why we need this fixture folder? This fixture folder is by default provided by Cypress. And this particular API, this particular library that we are going to use it, this guy say that okay, this attach file, they will take the file path only and only from Cypress fixture folder. That is compulsory. It will not take from your C drive or D drive or from your documents or downloads folder. It will not take the files from there to upload the file. So make sure whatever the file that you want to upload, please put it over here. And then what you have to do, you have to just write the code, right? So what you have to do first, you simply say that, okay, one simple example, this guy say that, okay, yeah, just take this particular guy and this. So first we have to tell that, okay, hey, what is the file name? So simple, your fixture path is equal to data.json. So do we have data.json? No, we have, let's see, this image1.jpg. I just change this guy. I'll simply say that, okay, image1.jpg, JPEG file. And then you, okay, get the element and then attach the file. So for getting the element, I simple right click on it, go to inspect, and I see that id equal to file upload. So I simply use, okay, id equal to file upload. So I simply use hash file upload dot attach file is the method. And if you see the signature, this guy say that okay, attach file should have the fixture string. It means the file path string that you have to pass it over here. So it should come only from cypress.fixture. It should not come from anywhere else. So cypress.fixture is available over here. And which file? This file. Okay, the fixture path variable I have given, where image1.jpg is there. So you don't need to give the complete path over here. It will automatically take it from here only. Okay, now let's see it is working or not. It should upload the file now. Okay, now what I'm going to do that, okay, I'm going to open my Cypress. So I simply write npx cypress open, and let's see. So Cypress is over here, and I'll go to my test over here. So my test is yeah, file upload test.js, and let's run it. So I'm going to run it, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it's directly going to the contacts page, and my test got passed, and you can see that. Can you see that? That image1.jpg got added over here. Can you see this guy? Awesome, right? So like this, you can upload the file. Okay, now let's see when we upload the file. So let's see, I'll upload whatever the file is there. I just say that, okay, yeah, this is the thing, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so like this, you can do that. Make sure that, okay, use this particular pick input type equal to file. You pick this particular element and then upload the file with this. So this attach file is actually coming from where? This attach file is coming from that that npm package that we have added, that we have downloaded. It's coming from that particular dependency. Okay, so this is the simple example that we have. Now I have some other various examples also, guys. What if there is a what if there is a so let me just write dot skip. Okay, now let me create one more test over here, and this time let's see, I'm going to create, there is a drop down, let's see, where you have to do a drag and drop. Okay, sometimes some drop downs are available. I mean, sorry, there is a file upload, a screen is there where you have to drag and drop. Okay, you can drag and drop the file also. It's a very common example, you must have seen that. So I simply say that, okay, drag and drop file upload. So am I going to actually going to drag and drop? No, it's not like that. So I have a very good example that I was doing some research. So let me show you one example over here. So first, this is a particular site that you have to use it. And yesterday, in fact, 3-4 hours I spent to find some really good examples for you guys so that you can practice. Now you just go to this particular site. Okay, drag and drop file uploading. Can you see that? And here there are two options. Either you simply click on it and then okay, choose a file. You can click on it and then you can select a specific file over there. Or you can actually do a drag and drop. Okay, how? Let me show you. So let's do a drag and drop. I'll open any particular file. Let's see, I just want to do a drag and drop. Let's see from okay, some file, whatever the file. Let's see, this particular file I want to .png file or .jpeg file or whatever file. Let's drag and drop it over here like this. See, it's saying uploading and done, right guys? Uploading and done. So okay, it should be visible like this. So let me just do it like this. Let me refresh this page once again, and I'm going to upload some other file. So let's see, this is my picture over here, and I'll upload this particular file over here. See, it's saying that you can simply drag and drop over here from here to here, from your C drive or D drive to here. So this is a drag and drop file upload. Okay, so how to handle this with Cypress? So I'm not going to actually going to do a drag and drop, but this is, I'm going to check this guy. Okay, right click on it, go to inspect. So this guy says that okay, something div is equal to this, and this is the SVG input over here. Can you see that? Input type equal to file over here, and ID equal to file. So what I'm going to do, same thing. Let's see, I want to for drag and drop the same file, and now this time I'll be using this hash, okay, file over there, and that's it. So if you attach the file and the same file, and after that I want to put some assertion also, right? So one thing, let me select a file. Let's see, take this particular screenshot, and after that it will do some uploading, and then if done message is displayed, it means file upload is done. So I simply say that okay, yeah, dev box success. So I simply use that guy cy dot get. This is what? This is dot class name. Okay, and I simply use a dot. It should have what? It should contain, or I would say, or it can have also. That's not an issue. So okay, it should contain dot text. What? It should contain done. Okay, if it is containing done, then we are good to go, because after uploading the file it's saying the done message over here. So I'm just capturing this particular text. It should contain done. Okay, now let's run this particular test and let's see it is working or not. So see, all the test is already passed, but let's run it again. Let me just close it. So I have written only skip this guy, only execute this guy, or you can use it.end only also. Now let's run it and let's see. Perfect. So drag and drop is perfectly fine, and the file is actually got uploaded, guys. Awesome. So for drag and drop file uploads also, it will work fine. Okay. So this is the second case that we have used that. Now let me skip this particular guy. Okay. So this is also working fine. Now, what if you want to do sometime? We have seen some file uploads where you have to do multiple file upload. You have to do that. So for that purpose, what you have to do? So let me create one more test over here. And now the test name is multiple files upload back to back, you have to do that. So for that also I have another example. Let me just show you. I have already copy pasted. So this guy, you just go to this particular site and let me just coming over here. So this is multiple file upload. Now you see, this is a multiple file upload input. You click on choose file, and let's say I'm going to upload these four guys or 4 5 guys. So you can see that okay, multiple file upload is done, right? So how to do this? So for doing this, it's very simple. So what you have to do again, you just inspect this guy and check what kind of properties we have. So we have id equal to files to upload. So this time I'm going to use files to upload, and I'll maintain some different file path over here. So let's say I want to upload image1.png, and now I want to upload upload.txt also. So this is my upload.txt, and this is my second variable, and I want to upload, let's see, one more file. And I simply say the second one is let's see, example.json, example.json. Okay, and what you have to do now, you have to use a attach file one, then again you use a dot attach file number two. This is the file path number two, dot attach file number three. I mean, this particular path number two, you have to pass it over there, and that's it. Okay, and once it is done, I will quickly check that okay, yeah, if this files you selected message is displayed, I can inspect this guy, and it's having files you selected. Okay, so I'll just quickly get the CSS selector over here. So I click on it, copy selector. Let me quickly verify. I can take this guy. Okay, I can take this particular CSS selector, and I quickly write that okay, yeah, this is a CSS. So this, it should contain text. What it should contain text as files you selected. So I simply copy this guy, files you selected. Okay, if this is a thing, then my test case should pass. Now I'll execute only this particular guy. Okay, so let's see it is working or not. So it should upload the multiple files. Awesome. See, can you see that? Example.json, upload.txt, and image.jpg, and files you selected. My assertion got passed. You can see that assertion also got passed, and 3 files back to back got uploaded. Okay, so you can use a chaining attach file method like this and call multiple times, and then give the path. Make sure all these files should come from fixture folder, then only it will work. Okay guys, if you try to give some other file path over here, it will be failed. If you really want to see, let me show you quickly. So I'll go to my, let me check my terminal. See, I'll go to my desktop. This is my desktop. I'll pick some file from my desktop. So let's say instead of this, I simply say that your fixture path is this. And here I have a couple of files. Let's say I want to upload some whatever. Let's say this mywork.xml. I want to upload. Okay, and if you run it, let's run it with only. Okay, and then you will see over here. So immediately it will give you error. It's saying that okay, a fixture file could not be found because this is coming from your desktop, from your laptop, from your machine, actually from your local drive. It's not coming from your fixture actually. So it should come from the Cypress fixture. Then only it will work. Okay, it will not take any other file path. So it will give you error over here that fixture file could not be found at any of the following path. Okay, so make sure guys that you are passing the right path over here only from the fixture. So let me just remove this like that. Okay, now okay, this is also done. Skip, and this is also skipped now. Okay, now we have one more use case where let's say you want to let me take the same example. What if the kind of file that you are going to upload, you want to change the file name? So let me just back to only one file. I don't want to upload multiple files, and I simply say that, okay, change file name, okay, while uploading. This is my test. Let's see on the same example, on the same URL, image1.jpg, that I'm going to do that. But what I'm going to do that simple, you attach this particular file, okay, like that. But here they have given example over here. If you see that if someone wants to change the file name, override the file name, what you have to do, you have to pass this particular parameter along with that. Okay, so simple write attach file like this. So I simple say that this not here. Right. I'll do one thing. This is cpy.get and one second, cpy.get over here. So let me first of all file to upload and dot attach file, and this is your fixture path. So you just copy paste this thing over here. And what is your fixture path? So my file path is this fixture path, and you just this. And when you upload the file, it will be user.json. Although you are passing image1.jpg, but when you upload the file, it will be given as users.json file. Okay, so let's see. And let me just open this. Now, can you see that? We were trying to upload what image1.jpg file, but it actually coming as users.json file. Okay, it's actually coming as users.json file. So that is also, you can change at the runtime what kind of file name that you want to give, you can do that. So that feature is also available in that particular API. So let me just skip this guy once again. Right. So other than that, they have given, so these are the options are available, and they have given one more option that, okay, if let's see your file upload button is available within Shadow DOM. Okay, so make sure you are enforcing manual event triggering. Forcefully you're doing that. So you simple write force true over here. So let's say your file upload is available inside the Shadow DOM or inside a particular, and that is not working. So you can forcefully also you can do that. But I haven't tried this because I haven't found any file upload button available within the Shadow DOM. If you have it, you can try. So it's a very simple example. You simple same thing, cpy.get locator, attach file, your path of the fixture, and simple pass force colon true over here. That also you can pass it. Multiple files I have already told you. And sometime what happens that, okay, your file encoding is not supported out of the box. Okay, in that case, you can try this also. Okay, you whatever the file name and encoding UTF-8. So let's see the file upload, whatever the encoding you are using it. Okay, it is not according to UTF-8 standard. In that case, okay, you can pass it explicitly like this, encoding UTF-8 also you can pass it. And one last example they have given that if your file need is spatial processing not supported out of the box, and you can, okay, pass it like that also. And then when providing file content is possible to ignore file path, but file name is MIME type must be provided. So that also you can do that. Let's say your file upload is not working in with all the cases. So I tried this also, this is also working fine. So what you do, you simple write this particular code over here. So let's take this first example. Okay, let's come over here. So I don't want to upload with this way. Let me just comment it out. Let me just remove this. So this is my, okay, let me just, yeah. So this is my fixture. Use it as a binary, Cypress dot this and file content, and I have to use this particular locator. So this is my locator, okay, with hash and attach file content, file name is what? This is my file name, your fixture, okay, path, and MIME type means I'm passing application octet stream and encoding UTF-8. Okay, so let's see it is working or not. So let me just write only over here and just a second. Yeah, so let's see, it's saying, okay, cy.fixture is not a function. We have to write fixture, not fixtures. Okay, now you can see the fixture path got added over here. Okay, so the file name, this we have changed the name, but this actually image1.jpg got added over there. So, but that is, I don't think so you really need it. Okay, so you can ignore this particular part. If it is, this guy is not working, you can simply use this also. Okay, so guys, yeah, so fixture.path, yeah. Okay, I think are you missing any bracket? Yeah. Okay, so let's check it again. See, image1.jpg got added, right? So these are the different test cases, guys, that you can pick for file upload cases. Now let me check one by one all the things are working fine or not. Okay, so now we have 4 test cases. Let's run back to back. So one is done. The second one is the drag and drop file upload. That is also done. The third one is a multiple file upload. So multiple file upload is also done. And change the file name while uploading. This is also done. So you can see all my tests are working fine over here, perfectly fine. Right? Like that. So all the tests are perfectly fine. So please try this out. And if you really want to refer this particular documentation, you can refer this. Make sure, guys, the first 2 things, you have to install this particular package, and then you have to add this particular import statement in your commands.js in your support folder over here. Otherwise, it won't work. You have to import this because this command.js will be loaded before all your test cases. It means all the libraries and all the methods which are available over here in under this particular package, Cypress-File-Upload, automatically will be given to your test cases, and your test will start picking attach file or whatever the method that you are using. Okay, it will be picked directly from here. So this attach file is actually coming from there. Okay, so that's a separate package provided by Cypress. It's not coming along with the Cypress default package. That's why you have to use it explicitly over here to do that. Okay, if you have any other solution for file upload, please let me know. Please put it in the comment section, and okay, so that I can also update my directory over here. I mean, update my Git repository over here. Perfect. So I'll be uploading this particular code to my repository. You can check the repository URL in the description and let me know if you have any issues, guys. Thanks for watching this particular video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.